Put them in a position to where they can be more controlled, start opportunities, create programs for the youth that trains them, give them confidence again, put the tools in their hands so they can actually create very valuable businesses that can help their regions. Me, pretty much, I utilize my voice in a big way because I have a lot of influence throughout the community now. So what I do, I use like a lot of my, resources, connections, relationships throughout the world to bring resources that can help the people of Africa. One of the biggest things when I came to and landed,
in my side. You know, Uganda is the best land in the world. That's why I need a lot of persuasion to visit any other place. I need to really be persuaded. I'm normally very welcome to be here. Under my tree there. And just see, because it is quite unique. It is right on the equator where we are sitting now. It is a few minutes south of the equator. When you are coming there, you cross the equator. When you are coming here. And yet, it has got a high elevation. So we have got the best of everything.